Ever felt like you're playing a game of phone tag, chasing down colleagues, clients, or even just trying to get a quick answer? You know, that frustrating dance of missed calls, voicemails that vanish into the ether, and emails that get buried under a mountain of, well, more emails? We've all been there. It's like trying to communicate in a digital jungle, right? Think about it. You're in the middle of a project, you need a crucial piece of information from a teammate, and time is ticking. You dial, no answer. You email, crickets. You try a different platform, and more silence. It's enough to make you want to throw your hands up and just walk over to their desk. If they were even at their desk. In today's fast-paced world, efficient communication isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. It's the lifeblood of productivity, the key to seamless collaboration, and the difference between hitting your deadlines and missing them by a mile. And in a business environment where speed and clarity are paramount, having a reliable messaging system is non-negotiable. Now, you might be thinking, another messaging app? Great. But hear me out. We're not talking about just any messaging platform. We're diving into the world of 8x8, a powerful communication tool designed to streamline your workflow and keep your team connected, no matter where they are. And today, we're focusing on one of its core features, messaging. We're going to unlock the secrets to effective messaging within 8x8, from the basics to some of the hidden gems that can truly elevate your communication game. We'll cover everything from sending simple text messages to leveraging advanced features that can boost your productivity and collaboration. So, grab your virtual notepad, settle in, and let's explore how to master messaging on 8x8. First, let's start with the basics. Logging in and accessing the messaging interface. Once you're in your 8x8 workspace, look for the messaging icon. It's usually represented by a speech bubble or a similar symbol. Click on it and you'll be greeted with your messaging hub. This is your command center for all things messaging. Now, let's send your first message. To start a new conversation, look for the New Message button. It's often located at the top of your messaging hub. Clicking it will open a new message window. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's name or extension. 8x8's intelligent search will help you quickly find the person you're looking for. Once you've selected your recipient, it's time to craft your message. Keep it clear, concise, and to the point. Remember, effective communication is about delivering information quickly and efficiently. Avoid lengthy paragraphs and focus on conveying your message in a straightforward manner. But messaging isn't just about sending text. 8x8 allows you to add a variety of elements to your messages. You can include files, images, and even voice notes. This is particularly useful for sharing documents, providing visual context, or delivering quick audio updates. Let's talk about file sharing. To attach a file, look for the paperclip icon in the message window. Clicking it will allow you to browse your computer and select the file you want to share. 8x8 supports a wide range of file types, so you can share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Images are another powerful tool for communication. To add an image, you can either drag and drop it into the message window or use the image icon to select it from your computer. Images can be used to provide visual context, share screenshots, or simply add a personal touch to your messages. And for those times when typing just isn't efficient, 8x8's voice note feature is a lifesaver. To record a voice note, look for the microphone icon. Click it and you can start recording your message. This is perfect for delivering quick updates, providing detailed instructions, or simply adding a personal touch to your communication. Now, let's move beyond the basics and explore some of the more advanced features of 8x8 messaging. One of the most powerful features is group messaging. This allows you to communicate with multiple people simultaneously. To create a group message, simply select multiple recipients when starting a new conversation. Group messaging is perfect for team discussions, project updates, and coordinating events. It allows you to keep everyone in the loop and ensure that everyone has access to the same information. Another valuable feature is message history. 8x8 keeps a record of all your messages, allowing you to easily refer back to previous conversations. This is particularly useful for tracking important information, reviewing past decisions, and ensuring that nothing gets lost in the shuffle. You can also search your message history to quickly find specific information. 8x8's search functionality allows you to search by keyword, date, or sender. This makes it easy to find the information you need, even if it's buried deep within your message history. 8x8 also offers a variety of notification settings, allowing you to customize how you receive message alerts. You can choose to receive notifications on your desktop, mobile device, or both. You can also customize the notification sound and vibration settings. This level of customization ensures that you're always aware of important messages, without being overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. And let's not forget about presence indicators. 8x8 shows you the availability status of your colleagues, indicating whether they're online, offline, busy, or away. This allows you to gauge their availability before sending a message, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. This is invaluable when timing is crucial. You won't waste time messaging someone who stepped away for a moment. It's about more than just sending a text. It's about creating a seamless, efficient, and productive communication environment. It's about bridging gaps, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. And remember, mastering 8x8 messaging isn't about memorizing features. It's about understanding how to leverage those features to create a more efficient and effective communication workflow. It's about using technology to enhance human connection, not replace it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.